5 tools every startup should use in 2026. Running a startup in 2026? These 5 tools will help you work smarter and grow faster. 1. Slack. It's your team communication hub. Instead of endless email chains, everything happens in organized channels. Your team stays connected, and nothing gets lost. 2. HubSpot CRM. Manage all your customer relationships in one place. Track leads, automate follow-ups, and never miss an opportunity. It's free to start. 3. Canva Pro. Create professional graphics, presentations, and social media content in minutes. No design experience required. 4. Notion AI. This isn't just note-taking anymore. It writes documents, organizes projects, and answers questions automatically. Your entire knowledge base becomes intelligent and searchable. 5. Cursor. AI-powered coding that helps developers build faster. It understands your code base and suggests improvements in real time. Ship products twice as fast with half the bugs. These tools represent the future of startup operations. Which one will transform your business? Let us know in the comments.